All right, another thing you're going to need to know before we start calculus is the concept of calculating the area underneath a given curve. So I'm going to do a couple of examples with you, and hopefully that will help with tomorrow's assignment. The first graph I'm going to look at is y equals x squared plus 1. And what I want to do is I want to find the area from x equals 1 to x equals 4. Okay, I'm just making up that question. Okay, I will tell you what x to start with and what x to end with. So we're looking at all of this in here. I'm just going to approximate that area. Okay, one way to do that is to draw rectangles. So I'm going to draw some rectangles. Here's my rectangles. I'm going to draw one here. And I'm going to draw these rectangles in such a way that the top right corner touches the graph. So my estimate is going to be a little bit larger than the actual area. All right. So if I look at the area of these rectangles, well, this rectangle here has a width of 1 and it has a height of 5. So this is 5. Oh, let me change the color. This has an area of 5. All right, and then this one right here has a width of 1 as well, and it has a height of 10. So the area of that one is 10. And then this last one has a width of 1, and the height here is 16. Okay, so the approximate area from x equals 1 to x equals 4 is 5 plus 10 plus 16, which is about 31. Okay, area. All right, so what if I approach this differently? What if I wanted an underestimate? Well, let's see. All right, so now what I'm going to do, if I want an underestimate or a lower bound for what the area is going to be, then I'm going to draw my rectangles so that the top left corner of the rectangle is on the graph. So there's my first one, my second one, and my third one. All right. So the width here is 1, and the height is also 1. So this has an area of, 2. So this has an area of 2. This one looked just like the first rectangle that I drew last time. And I already know that the area of that is 1 by 5, so that's 5. And then this last rectangle has a width of 1 and a height of 10. All right, so the lower bound for my area is 2 plus 5 plus 10 is 17. Okay, so I know that the area is somewhere between 17, which was my lower bound, and 31, which is my upper bound. All right? And if I wanted an even closer estimate, I could probably just take the average of those. Right, add them together and divide by 2. That's 48 divided by 2, which is 24. That's probably even closer to the area of this. Okay, so that's really all you have to do. Just draw your rectangles the first way so that the top right corner touches the curve, and the second way so that the top left corner touches the curve.